Happy and smart developers, welcome to the coding board. This is session 3 of CRT training. In last session, we have learned divisibility conditions. Hope you have better understanding about divisibility condition. So today we are going to learn unit digit or last digit concept. So let's begin the session. Before going in depth of the concept, I want to show one example for better understanding. Let's move on. Suppose we have one number 723 and whole square. This is also known as one expression. Now, how to solve this? How to solve this expression? 723 whole power square is one expression which can be expressed as 723 into 723. Here is the multiplication. Now let me adjust the screen for my calculation purpose. Yeah, it's better now. So this equation can be solved as 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 7 21. Here 0. Now 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 7 14. Here 0 and again here 0. Now 7 into 3 21. Now 7 into 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16. Now 7 into 7 49, 49 plus 1 50. So the final output will be sum of these numbers, which is 9 and 12, 4 5 6 7 6 and 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 plus 1 2 and 5 as it is. So it will be 5,22,729. What I want to show, that is the most important thing. Let me change the color. So if we observe this last digit of whole square of 723's result, this 9 is depending on this 2 3 3 into 3 9. Now suppose there is equation like 723 whole to the cube, power is 3. How we can solve? Already we have the answer of 723 power 2. So if we multiply 723 whole to the powers result with 723, then we will get 723 cube. So let me adjust the screen for my calculation purpose. Yes, now it's better. Let me change the color. Now what I will do, I will take 5,22,729 multiplied with 723. So here is the calculation. 3 into 9 27, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8. Now 3 into 7 21. Now 2 into 3, sorry, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Again 3 into 2 6, 3 into 5 15. Okay, now here is 0. Now 2 into 9 18. Now 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Let me adjust the screen for my calculation purpose. Okay, now it's better. 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Now 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Now 2 into 2, 4. Now 5 into 2, 10. Again here 0, 0. Now 7 into 9, 63. Now 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 7 into 7, 49. 49 plus 2, 51. So here 51. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. Now 7 into 2, 15. Now 7 into 5. 7 into 5, 35. And 1, 36. So here 36. Let me adjust the screen for my calculation purpose. Now here let me sum the number 7, 16. Now 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 10. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 as it is. So this is our final result. What I want to explain here is this last digit. Let me change the change the color for your better understanding. This last digit 7 is depending on 3 power 3. Correct? 3 into 3 into 3. Then answer will become 27. So here this last digit 27, which is here is depending on this power 3 to the power 3. Similarly, if I take any big number, for example 2, 7, 23 power 999, then whatever will be the answer, last digit of the answer will depend on this 3 to the power 999. Let me take one simple example. Let's take 15 power is 2. Then whatever will be the answer, that answer's last digit will depend on 5 to the power, which is 25. So here last digit will be 5. Okay. Similarly, if I take any big number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the big number. This is base, and power to the base is 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is power. Then whatever will be the answer, that answer's last digit will be depending on 6 to the power 8910111. Okay, so this is what what I want to explain. Let me take one more example. If I am having one number 22 and power will be 666, then whatever will be the answer, that answer's last digit will be depend on calculation of 2 to the power 666. Okay, this is what I want to explain. Now let's dive into depth of the concept last digit concept. Just now we have learned a number of the form base to the power is called expression. It is also called as expression. Now case 1, if the last digit of the base is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6 and the power is anything, if last digit is any one of 0 or 1 or 5 or 6 and power is anything, then the last digit of the given expression is itself. Let me help you to understand in more better way with example. What case 1 is telling? Case 1 is telling that if last digit is either 0, 1 or 5 or 6 and power is anything, then the last digit is itself. Let's take one example here. 0 to the power 0 to the power 1, 0 to the power 2, 0 to the power 3, 0 to the power 4 and 0 to the power 5. Let's solve it. 0 power 1 0, 0 power 2 0, 0 power 3 answer will be 0, 0 power 4 answer will be 0, 0 power 5 answer will be 0. So 0 power anything answer will be 0 only, hence the last digit of the expression is also 0. We know very well 0 power anything answer is 0, so last digit of the answer also will be 0. Just now we have seen 0 1 5 6 is last digit of the base and power is anything, then answer's last digit will be itself. Let's take one more example. 1 to the power 1 answer is 1, 2 to the power 1 answer is 2, 3 to the power 2 answer will be 9. But our expression is about base having last digit 0 1 5 and 6. So what we will do, instead of 3 if we take 5, then answer will become 25. So last digit is matching with this base last digit. Let me explain this with more clarity. 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. Answer is 5, answer is 25 and here answer is 25 into 3, 125 and 5 to the power 4, how much? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 25 into 5 is 125. Now 125 into 5. Let me adjust the screen. So here 125 into 5 we need to calculate. 125 into 5, also 25, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 5 into 1, 1, 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 625. So if we observe this last digit, let me change the color. This last digit of 5 power 4 is depending on this, correct, last digit of the base. This and this, both numbers are same. So what was our case? Our case is telling that if any number whose last digit is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6 and power is anything, then answers, last digits answers last digit last digit will be itself, will be itself, means same as last digit of the base. Okay, for example 6 power 2, answer will be 36. This is the answer. What is the last digit of is 6, which is depending on this 6, nothing but last digit of the answer will be itself. So this 6 is here. Okay, this is the case 1. Hope you guys have understood the case 1. Let's observe few iterations of last digit concept case 1. Here 0 to the power anything will be itself of the 0. 0 power is anything, the last digit must be 0. And 5 power anything, last digit it depends is nothing but 5 only. The power of 5 is anything, the last digit must be 5. And 1 to the power anything, last digit of the answer is itself, that is 1. Now 6 to the power anything, the last digit of the answer will be itself, that is 6. Now we have seen few iterations and we have came to one conclusion that if base last digit is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6 and power is anything, then last digit of the answer will be depending on last digit of the base, that is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6. Now let's move on. Now here are few examples where 216 is one number, 216 is one number whose last digit is 6 and whole numbers power is 424. Then what will be last digit of the answer? Just now we have learned if last digit is 6 of the base, then power will be anything, then answer of last digit, the last digit of the answer will be itself, that is 6. Now here 625 is base and power is 625. What will be last digit of the answer? Same 5. Here 190 is one base whose power is 23. What will be last digit of the answer? Answer is 0. Now 976 is one number whose power is 679. What will be the last digit of the answer? Answer is very simple, it will be 6. That's it in this session. In next session we will learn case 2. Thank you.